That extreme heat just makes you want to stay inside and turn up the air, but your AC needs to be ready to handle it.
THV11's Ian Russell spoke with one HVAC company already feeling the heat from broken units and shares some quick ways you can make sure the air stays on.
Well, it was a hot one today, and it's only going to get hotter as we get further and further into the week, so you've got to be ready for it. But let's also make sure your air conditioning is ready for those temperatures as well.
It's been busy, to say the least, at
Chapman Service, can I help you?
phone calls almost off the hook.
Probably 25 to 30 a day.
Many asking the same thing.
We already have so many calls over the weekend, and when people know that it's going to be over 100 degrees, they're calling.
Meet Dan Chapman, the owner here. He's been in this industry a long time. The heat that we're set to see this week is something he says we've seen before.
It runs in cycles. It seems like 2008, 2000. We're pretty hot years, and of course this year is giving it a run for their money as well.
To put these temperatures in context, Monday officially marks our 6th heat wave of the year. Chapman says his employees have been staying busy keeping up.
We've been working anywhere from 7 in the morning till 8 at night trying to take care of everyone. So the demand is a little heavier during these hotter times.
And your AC is also staying busy. You're probably ready to turn it down, hoping to beat the heat. Chapman says that may not be the best idea.
Keep it consistent. Yes, don't change it up and down when it's very, very hot outside.
You should also check a few things out on your AC before this heat settles in.
Like this.
Your filter, something Chapman says needs to be changed monthly.
This is what the homeowner can change right here. If you have two and you don't change the second one, then it could be in there for a year or two and you've forgotten about it, and that can cause problems.
So check, and check now, Chapman says. They may be busy, but there's ways you can try and help. And if you need service, he says they'll be there.
When people are hot, they need service. I got to get out there.
In North Little Rock, Ian Russell, THV11 News.